shadows deep, when hope seemed far away, you saw the light in me that others couldn't see. With gentle hands, you wiped my tears that day, and chose to walk this winding road with me. Susan, my queen, my heart's eternal song, you lifted me when I had fallen low. You saw my weakness, yet you made me strong. Your faith in me helped my true self to grow. Your presence ascend like incense to the sky, a shield of love around me every day. Your wisdom guides me as the years go by. Your care lights up my dark and troubled way. You didn't see my past with judging eyes, but saw the man that I could yet become. Your respect lifts me far beyond the skies. In your embrace I finally found my home. The family you brought into my life, a blessing I could never have foreseen. Forever grateful that you are my wife, Susan, my love, my heart, my precious queen. So hear these words that flow from deep within. I love you more than any words can say. May God answer every prayer you bring to Him, and bless you, guide you, keep you every day. Whatever your heart desires, may it be. May heaven's grace pour down on you like rain. You gave me everything, you set me free. Through joy and sorrow, sunshine and through pain. Susan, I love you now and evermore. My gratitude could fill the endless sea. You are the blessing I've been waiting for. Thank you for choosing broken, humble me.